question. A developer has the following requirements. Calculate the total amount on an order. Calculate the line amount for each line item based on quantity selected and price. Move line items to a different order if a line item is not in stock. Which relationship implementation supports these requirements? A. Order has a lookup field to line item and there can be many line items per order. B. Line item has a lookup field to order and there can be many line items per order. C. Order has a master detail field to line item and there can be many line items per order. D. Line item has a master detail field to order and the master can be reparented. Correct answer is D. Next question. The values high, medium, and low are identified as common values for multiple pick lists across different objects. What is an approach a developer can take to streamline maintenance of the pick lists and their values, while also restricting the values to the ones mentioned above? A. Create the pick list on each object and use a global pick list value set containing the values. B. Create the pick list on each object as a required field and select display values alphabetically, not in the order entered. C. Create the pick list on each object and add a validation rule to ensure data integrity. D. Create the pick list on each object and select restrict pick list to the values defined in the value set. Correct answer is A. Next question. Universal Containers uses a simple order management app. On the order lines, the order line total is calculated by multiplying the item price with the quantity ordered. There is a master detail relationship between the order and the order line's object. What is the best practice to get the sum of all order line totals on the order header? A. Declarative Roll-Up Summaries app. B. Roll-Up Summary field. C. Process Builder. D. Apex Trigger. Correct answer is A. Next question. Which two are phases in the Salesforce application event propagation framework? Choose two. A. Bubble. B. Default. C. Control. D. Emit. Correct answer is A and B. Next question. Which two events need to happen when deploying to a production org? Choose two. A. All process builder processes must have at least 1% test coverage. B. All Apex code must have at least 75% test coverage. C. All triggers must have at least 1% test coverage. D. All visual flows must have at least 1% test coverage. Correct answer is B and C. Next question. A developer uses a loop to check each contact in a list. When a contact with the title of boss is found, the Apex method should jump to the first line of code outside of the for loop. Which Apex solution will let the developer implement this requirement? A. Return. B. Continue. C. Break. D. System.assert, false. Correct answer is C. Next question. A developer has an Apex controller for a Visualforce page that takes an ID as a URL parameter. How should the developer prevent a cross-site scripting vulnerability? A. Apex B. String.escape single quotes, apex pages. Current page, get parameters, get URL_param. C. String.value of, apex pages. Current page, get parameters, get URL_param. D. Apex pages. Current page, get parameters, get URL_param. Escape HTML4. Correct answer is D. Next question. An org tracks customer orders on an order object and the line items of an order on the line item object. The line item object has a master/detail relationship to the order object. A developer has a requirement to calculate the order amount on an order and the line amount on each line item based on quantity and price. What is the correct implementation? A. Write a single before trigger on the line item that calculates the item amount and updates the order amount on the order. B. Write a process on the line item that calculates the item amount and order amount and updates the fields on the line item and the order. C. Implement the line amount as a numeric formula field and the order amount as a roll-up summary field. D. Implement the line amount as a currency field and the order amount as a sum formula field. Correct answer is D. Next question. Universal Containers, UC, wants to lower its shipping cost while making the shipping process more efficient. The distribution officer advises UC to implement global addresses to allow multiple accounts to share a default pickup address. The developer is tasked to create the supporting object and relationship for this business requirement and uses the setup menu to create a custom object called global address. Which field should the developer add to create the most efficient model that supports the business need? A. Add a master detail field on the global address object to the account object. B. Add a master detail field on the account object to the global address object. C. Add a lookup field on the global address object to the account object. D. Add a lookup field on the account object to the global address object. Correct answer is D. Next question. Which code should be used to update an existing Visualforce page that uses standard Visualforce components so that the page matches the look and feel of Lightning Experience? A. B. C. D. Correct answer is C. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment. Our team will prioritize those. We wish you all the very best.